Hey, good evening or good afternoon, good morning, hello, whenever you're watching this. Hi, elbow bump. Okay, I want to look at Biogen here. We've had a pretty good week on for stock market mentor as far as our growth stock list goes. But I want to talk about a biotech stock here, Biogen, and this is why. Here's what I don't like about this pattern. It's really heavy. This is a big, steep sell-off. It could, this looks like the aftermath of an Adam Feuerstein article that got debunked. The stock sold off really, really nasty like it has before, but it is at this point now where the stock is at established support, like 290 bucks. That is just, less than 4%. Below where the stock is trading right now. So I think, and earnings aren't an issue. I think your trade here on this, I'll make this real easy. Members, the video is about 45 minutes long, and I'm talking about entries. Anyway, this is a short one. So I'd buy the stock here, and I would set my stop right there, right underneath the 200-day moving average. These are the kinds of opportunities that you want to take advantage of. And here's the thing, this is really important. You're not buying the stock because you think the stock's going to do that. It might, we hope so, right? No, you're buying the stock because it's a low risk entry, because you know that if the stock falls below the 200-day moving average, then your reason for buying it, which is, I think the 200-day moving average after 3 days of tests, I think the 200-day moving average is going to hold. So I'm buying that stock. That's why you're buying the stock. If the stock falls below the 200-day moving average, it's not going to cost you that much money because you're buying so close. So your reason for buying the stock is not because I think I'm going to make a gang of money. Instead, it's because I think the stock's going to bounce. It looks like a really good bounce pattern, and I don't have to risk much money in order to put myself in a position to make money. So that's the deal. It's a huge difference in why you're buying a stock and how you're buying a stock. You're not buying a stock to make a bunch of money. You're buying a stock to not lose a lot of money if you're wrong. If you can be thinking about it in those terms, the profits will take care of themselves, okay? All right, that's it here. Members, over to the session.